Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make those wallet-crushing decisions a little easier. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with a showdown between two titans, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K LCD Resin 3D printer, or as we like to call it, Mini 8K, and the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer, aka Neptune 4 Plus. Let's see which one will make your 3D printing dreams come true, and which one will just make you cry into your failed prints. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. On the left, we have Mini 8K, coming in at a modest $375. It's practically a steal. On the right, Neptune 4 Plus is flaunting a $599 price tag. I mean, Neptune 4 Plus must think it's the iPhone of 3D printers or something. So if you're on a ramen noodle budget, Mini 8K is your best friend. But if you're swimming in cash like Scrooge McDuck, then Neptune 4 Plus might be your jam. Now, let's talk resolution. Mini 8K boasts a jaw-dropping 22 micrometers resolution. That's so high, it's basically printing in HD, while Neptune 4 Plus is still figuring out how to plug in the HDMI cable. Mini 8K is like that one friend who always has a perfect Instagram feed, flawless, smooth, and makes you question your life choices. Neptune 4 Plus is great too, but it's not gonna win any beauty pageants with Mini 8K around. Alright, speed demons, this one's for you. Neptune 4 Plus can hit up to 500 millimeters per second. That's faster than my grandma's Wi-Fi. Mini 8K, on the other hand, is like your reliable old car. It gets you there, but don't expect any drag racing trophies. So if you're in a hurry and can't wait to see your masterpiece, Neptune 4 Plus is your go-to. But if you've got the patience of a saint, stick with the Mini 8K. Let's talk about size, because size does matter, right? Neptune 4 Plus offers a massive build volume of 320 by 320 by 385 millimeters. That's like the Godzilla of build volumes. Mini 8K, with its more modest size, is more like a cute little puppy. So if you want to print a full-size Iron Man suit, Neptune 4 Plus is your guy. If you're more into printing detailed miniatures, Mini 8K has got your back. Finally, let's talk about ease of use. Mini 8K is like the IKEA furniture of 3D printers. Simple, straightforward, and you won't need a PhD to get it going. Neptune 4 Plus is more like assembling a spaceship. Lots of parts, but man, the results are worth it. So if you're a beginner or just lazy like me, Mini 8K is your spirit animal. If you love a good challenge and have the patience of a Jedi, Neptune 4 Plus will make you feel like a 3D printing master. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is praised for its high print quality and affordability. But some users have encountered issues with customer service and the need for a well-ventilated space. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is lauded for its large build volume, speed, and detailed prints, but it requires thorough setup and maintenance, making it less suitable for beginners. There you have it, folks. The Mini 8K is like a trusty Swiss Army knife, affordable, precise, and perfect for beginners. Neptune 4 Plus is like a high-end sports car, fast, powerful, and ready to take on big projects. Which one's your pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our epic product showdowns. Until next time, keep buying smart and printing those dreams into reality. Peace out. Product links are in the description.